Let me tell you something nobody warned you about when you start a black car business. Your biggest competition isn't Uber. It's the hotel that you're picking people up from. And yeah, they've got a major advantage over you. Alright, so you're getting into the black car business, or you're already in it. This is something that you're going to run into real fast. Your competition, it's not other drivers, it's the hotels. I'm talking big boy hotels, Marriott, Ritz, Omni, and places that have conferences every single week. High-end clientele, and guess what? They already have their own black car service. So now you're trying to build your own business, and they've already got the customer before you even know the customer exists. Let's break down how you actually deal with that. The first thing that you got to understand, they have home field advantage. Think about it. The guests, they're staying there. They check in, they go downstairs, and they ask the front desk, hey, I need a ride to the airport. Who do you think they're going to recommend? It's not you. They're going to recommend their in-house service or their preferred partner. It's convenient, it feels safe, and it's one conversation and done. So, if you're thinking you're going to pull up and compete head to head, nope, you're already a step behind. So how do you fix that? You win before they even get to the hotel. This is the biggest mindset shift. The only time that you have an advantage over a hotel is before that passenger even becomes a guest. That means airport pickups, Uber black rides, Lyft black rides, and pre-scheduled reservations. If you pick somebody up from the airport and you take them to the Ritz, well, that is your moment. That is your window, because once they walk inside, that hotel takes over their relationship. Now, what do you do in that ride? You don't just drive, you position yourself. Simple stuff like, hey, if you need a return ride or anything while you're here, I run a private service. I can schedule everything for you so you don't have to deal with the wait times. Now you've planted that seed. You didn't sell aggressively, you offered convenience. That is key. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. What if that hotel is low-key talking against outside driver? Trust me, this happens. They might not say your name, but they'll say things like, we recommend using our service for reliability. Outside drivers, they could be inconsistent, and we guarantee your pickup. What they're really doing is they're planting doubt. So how do you fight that? You don't fight it directly, you out-professional it. Now here's how. When you get a client, even one, you run your service like a real company, not just a driver. That means clean vehicle, always. On time, every time. Clear communication, a simple booking process, and a follow-up message. Because once you give them a flawless experience, now the hotel's words don't matter. Experience beats suggestions every time. Now let's talk a strategy, because this is where most drivers mess up. They rely too much on the apps. Uber Black, Lyft Black, that's great cash flow, but that is not how you build control. You build control through direct clients. So every ride is an opportunity, not to pitch, but to position. You're not begging for business, you're offering a better system. Now, here's a real example. Let's say you take somebody from the airport to the Marriott. Before they even get out of the car, you say, hey, I'll be in the area all week. If you need anything, airport return, dinner rides, whatever, I can handle it for you directly. Now what happens? They don't have to call downstairs. They don't have to wait. They don't have to wonder. They already have a driver. That's how you beat the hotel. But now let's be real. You're not going to win every client. Some people will always go with convenience. And honestly, that's fine. Because this game is not about winning everybody. It's about building a base. You get 5 solid clients from one conference, then 10 from another, then repeat clients. Now you're not chasing rides anymore. Now you're running a business. And here's another angle people don't think about. Hotels are not your enemy, they're your signal. If a hotel has constant transportation demand, that means there's money there. So instead of looking at them like competition only, look at them like proof of opportunity. Now, last thing, and this is important, you need to make it easy for people to choose you. That means a simple website, clear pricing and quote system, business cards always ready, and a quick response time. Because if it takes too much effort to book you, they're going downstairs every time. Now, you're not going to beat hotels by being louder. You beat them by being earlier, smoother, and more reliable. You win before check-in. You win through experience. And you win by turning one ride into a relationship. If you're trying to build a black car service right now, stop thinking like a driver. Start thinking like a service. That is the difference.